Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we will see how we can create Ensemble Retriever and then evaluate its performance. So this is the performance of different retrievers which we saw in our last video, where parent to children, parent to sentence are performing our top two retrievers. So what we'll do, we'll combine these two retrievers, parent to child and parent to sentence, and create a new Ensemble Retriever, and we'll see whether we can achieve a hit rate of 100% or not. So let's get started. So first we will install all the packages as we did in the last video, also downloading the same data and then importing all the relevant packages, and then I'm just loading the PDF data here, and then we are using BG small embedding, so I'm just downloading using HuggingFaceEmbedding. Then I'm just creating a base nodes. So these are my parent nodes for every different custom node parser what we have created, which is size of 1024, and I'm just hard coding the ID, like making the ID constant like non-zero node 1, so that all the different node parser can refer to the same node ID. So this is our custom parent to children node parser which we created. I've already explained in my previous video, so won't explain again. The next one is parent to sentence node parser, and we'll combine these two. And in what I've done is like I've created this new Ensemble recursive retriever. So what I've done is like I've just taken the recursive retriever class and just modified it to work as Ensemble recursive retriever. So the modifications what I've done is like, first, this root ID. So it used to take earlier the only one string. Now I've created a list, so you can pass n number of root IDs, and which should match as per the retriever ID. So now you can pass n number of retrievers and create an ensemble retriever out of it by passing different IDs here, and different ID and retriever combination should be part of this retriever dict. And I'm setting top k, like what top chunks you want, whether you want top 3, top 5, you can set it here. And then rest of the things is same, like what is the node dict, query engine dict, as per recursive retriever only. Then I'm just doing a safe check whether all the root IDs should be present in this retriever dict. If not, then we'll just give the value error. And then these are the by default functions available in recursive retriever, like deduplicate nodes, which just removes the duplicate nodes and takes only the first node which is present out of all the duplicates what we have. Then this is a query retrieve nodes, which gives us the, for a different vector retriever what we pass, it gives us the final list of nodes. And what I've done is like I've modified this underscore retrieve class. So this is the class which is called internally. So what I'm doing is I'm looping through all the root IDs, and then I'm calling this retrieve underscore vec function, which takes the query and the query ID and give us the list of nodes. So, and then it will just return me the nodes. And what I'm doing, I'm just saving all the nodes into my retrieve nodes list what I've created. And then once, so it will just loop through both my retrievers and give me the final nodes in this list. And then what I'm doing is like I'm just sorting this list based on the score. So after combining all the nodes from both the retrievers, I'm just sorting it based on the score, so that the top nodes comes at the first. And then what I'm doing, I'm just doing a deduplicate. So might be both the retrievers gives me the same set of nodes. I don't want to give in return the duplicate nodes, so I'm just calling this function which will give me the only unique nodes. And then I'm just choosing whatever based on the top k what I have. If you have set top k3, I will give the first top 3 nodes what we have got. So this is the Ensemble Retriever class what I have created. Now you can pass n number of retrievers. I will show how we can pass it, and you can pass any of the retriever here, and it will work. So, and then the next steps are the same, like we are just creating an evaluation framework, and I'm just loading the same data just to make sure that we are testing on the same data, and which has a queries of 201, base node of 38. And after investigating, what I found, like there's one question with only just one word, like what. So I just removed it because you will not be able to find the right answer for this. So now my final list of questions are 200 only, and these are the two metrics we'll use, hit rate and MRR. Already explained in previous videos, so won't explain again. So this is the helper function I've created, which will just print the results. So first I'm preparing pipeline for base retriever, will test its performance. Then I'm testing for parent to children node parser, then parent to sentence node parser, and this is the new Ensemble recursive retriever. So what I'm doing is I'm just calling the same class. I'm passing both the vectors, like vector and vector1 are the two keys. In vector, I'm just passing the vector retriever chunk, which is my parent to children node parser. Like if you see, it's this retriever I'm passing. The second retriever which I'm passing is vector retriever chunk sent, which is this one. So these two retrievers I'm passing to recursive retriever and this dict, and I'm setting top case 3 only, which we have set already in the starting. And base, this all base node it just stores the base node ID and the node, and it would be same for both the retrievers because they are pointing out to the same base node only. So no need to worry about this. Now here you can pass any other retriever also with the same setup and it will work. Just pass the key here and this retriever and the key combination here. And after that, I'm just passing this object into this retriever evaluator, and I'm just running it. And after that, we'll get the final result in this results chunk underscore ensemble. So here I'm just printing out the metrics for all the 4 retrievers what we have tested. And for base retriever, it's hit rate of like we are getting 91.5%, MRR around 82%. For parent to children, 93.5% hit rate, and 88, like around 89% of MRR we are getting. Parent to sentence is like 98% hit rate and around 94% MRR. And this is our ensemble retriever now, and if you see, we are getting 100% hit rate. So now you can see how powerful these ensemble retrievers are. So you can combine any 2 different retrievers and it can give you the best result. So what it shows that for every question we are getting our relevant chunk or the right chunk in top 3, and that's why hit rate is 100%, and MRR also is very high, like 96.4%. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show, like how we can combine different powerful retrievers into one and then create one ensemble retriever which can perform the best here. So thank you for watching this video. Please share your feedback and comments, and let me know if you want to learn anything new. I can just explore it and create a video for the same. So thank you for watching this video.